Unboxing of. Alright, well, here we are, opening this box I've been awaiting. It took some time, as they were on back order, ordering the DJI RS3 Pro Combo. It's because of the combo, they said, was the reason why it was going to take a while. I also had ordered this little goodie right here, the DJI Ronin Tethered control handle. And the reason I got this is because I was going to apply this right here, which is, yes, the twist grip dual handle. Now, having that handle with the twist grip dual is going to work out perfectly for what I'm using it for. And here is the bad boy itself, the DJI RS3 Pro Combo. Boom. And that's where it's at right there. Total in cost, I dropped about $1,900 for all accessories. I did get the DJI Care Refresh with it as well, just in case, because it is an expensive purchase and I am financing this all myself. DJI does not sponsor this whatsoever. This is all out of my pocket 100%. So, but yeah, here it is, opening up, looking inside. Take a look. Nice. Carbon graphite. That's what you get with the Pro versus the regular RS3. Yeah, I like it. It's very well put together. I like how it's boxed up and everything's just put in its own individual sleeves for organization. It's really great. I'm enjoying this a lot. I can't wait to start using this out in the field, doing a lot of real estate, videos. Just gonna go out there and just practice using it, going out to businesses and just put myself out there with exactly what this is. I'll try to see what I can do with all these little tools that come with it. It should work out really great for me, and I'm very excited for it. I have to just keep everyone posted on some great videos that I use with it. Please take the time and subscribe and like my video. I certainly appreciate the support. It definitely helps with my channel and getting the recognition of the work that I'm putting in. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I'll go ahead and in the description post the links for those channels as well. So thank everyone for watching this video and enjoy your day.